welcome to Sweet Tomato Vine Homestead. I'm Linda. Today it is so windy. I am out here harvesting my okra, and I have decided after this harvest, I am going to let just a few on the ends. I will be still coming out and harvesting my okra. I am about to start letting some of my pods go to seed, just a few, because I don't want to waste a lot of this okra, because y'all, this okra is still so delicious. And so I have a lot of okra in my bag. Some of these pods are going to probably be hard, but a lot of them are not. And I want to eat as much and continue to can as much as I can until this okra stops bearing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave. I have 4 rows. I'm going to leave the one on the end of each of these rows. I'm going to leave that one plant on the each, so that'll be 4 plants on the end that I'm going to let the okra pods get big, and let them get hard, and let them turn brown on the stalk. Because if you're going to collect the seed, you could say one like this. I don't even know. This one might. Yeah, I think this one might be. Yeah, this one's going to be a hard one. You can say, well, this one is hard. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to save those seeds. But you do need to let it dry on the stalk. I dried them before and let those seeds just turn brown like this. Y'all, my seeds were small. They produced, but they did not produce as well as some that dried on the stalk. Just leave it on the stalk and let it turn brown on the stalk. I have one that's down there that was small and turned brown on the stalk. But I want them to get big so that I can have some large seeds and let them turn on the stalk. But y'all, I'm not going to do very much talking because I don't want to be yelling, trying to over yell this wind. So I'm just going to walk through and do a little bit, and it's going to be a silent video. So I hope that y'all enjoy this video. when they blowing my plastic off the ground. And then blew some large limbs out of the trees and knocked over my tripod about 3 times. I'm going to do one more thing over here and then I'm going inside. That you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.